central South Carolina, west central Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, northern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern County in central South Carolina, until 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Jackson to near Sandy Run to 13 miles west of Edisto Gardens, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. At 3:43 p.m. a wind gust to 58 miles per hour was reported at Columbia Owens Airport. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Orangeburg, Forest Acres, South Sumter, Shaw Air Base, McIntyre Air Base, Brookdale, Dentsville, St. Matthews, Eastover, Gallery, Oakland, Santee State Park, Mulberry, Sesquee Centennial State Park, Fort Jackson, Congaree National Park, Hopkins, and Laurel Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 75 and 79. Interstate 26 between mile markers 125 and 150. Interstate 77 between mile markers 7 and 10, and between mile markers 12 and 16.